My name is Spencer Lynn. I'm from Charles River Analytics, a small business in Cambridge, Massachusetts. We are excited to tell you about strengthening health and improving emotional defenses, SHIELD, a system that trains psychological flexibility to enable warfighters to perform optimally during and after stressful events. Charles River creates intelligent systems, including systems for intelligent tutoring and adaptive training, autonomous robotics and swarms, explainable AI, cognitive and behavioral modeling, human physiological sensing, and computer vision. Established in 1983, our customers include groups throughout the DoD and intelligence communities, in addition to non-defense work for the National Institutes of Health, NASA, the National Science Foundation, and others. We have transitioned our products to the Army, Air Force, SOCOM, and others, and we have developed commercial products for physiological sensing, agent-based human behavior modeling, robotics, and computer vision, among other domains. Related to our work in human sensing and adaptive training, the Marine Corps has asked Charles River Analytics to develop a system to train psychological flexibility, enabling Marines to identify, mitigate, and perform optimally during and after stressful events. In response, we invented the Strengthening Health and Improving Emotional Defenses System, SHIELD. SHIELD is a comprehensive approach based on the latest evidence-based strategies to train psychological flexibility and promote healthy responses to adverse and stressful events. It teaches physiological stress reduction, management, and recovery. It uses Marine Corps-owned non-proprietary materials and information. It is delivered via a smartphone app that integrates with physiological sensors, such as the Garmin Fenix watch, for heart rate monitoring, and it provides understanding and awareness of the impact of psychological stressors to the warfighter. As a Phase 2 effort, SHIELD is currently aimed at mindfulness-based stress reduction exercises. In addition, SHIELD can be customized for any physiological stress training regimen, for example, breathing control for marksmanship or for pilot G-force mitigation. Beyond stress resiliency training, SHIELD is a software platform independent of the content it provides. Therefore, in light of these features, our ask of you today as you listen to this presentation is that you think of one area where a modular, mobile, audiovisual training framework could be applied to your work or that of a colleague. Currently, the stress experienced by Marines has a profound impact on health and performance that reaches beyond the individual, affecting job performance and interactions with family and peers. Evidence-based strategies to promote psychological resilience can mitigate costly and often harmful long-term effects. However, existing manual programs can be costly, time-consuming, and resource-intensive. Many mobile apps are available, but are not built for Marine Corps use cases. To address these problems, SHIELD implements evidence-based strategies to educate, train, and facilitate the practice of techniques for physiological control, self-efficacy, and motivation. The SHIELD curriculum uses brief, self-paced instruction followed by practice that Marines can incorporate around other training, duties, and daily activities. The curriculum, derived from proven mindfulness-based stress reduction techniques, was designed in collaboration among scientists, practitioner instructors, and Marines to ensure consistency, acceptability, and support for warfighter use cases. These capabilities are delivered in a cross-platform smartphone app to provide training and practice that is cost-effective and accessible. SHIELD is an architecture to support modular, self-administered psychological resilience training over mobile devices. It provides self-scheduled audio, video, and text instruction with support for questionnaire administration. It motivates warfighters to set and meet their own stress reduction goals without oversight, providing an effortless mechanism to engage with the training in brief sessions lasting a few minutes, scheduled throughout the day so as not to interrupt other training and duties. It integrates with wearable physiological sensors, such as smartwatches, as part of its physiological awareness training. The current content trains and practices psychological flexibility using 4 modules: tactical breathing, which is shown here, body tension scan, mindfulness meditation, and heart rate awareness. Competing mobile stress reactivity training products do not combine these features and additionally are not designed to specific military requirements, such as officer-led instruction or centralized data collection for compliance monitoring. With SHIELD, using a mobile app that provides expert guidance and biofeedback, war fighters master techniques for maintaining performance under stress. SHIELD is a TRL-7 mobile phone app. In completed human subjects testing involving 3 weeks of SHIELD training, we established the efficacy of the training regimen compared to an active control condition. SHIELD improves physiological stress reactivity and enhances cognitive performance under stress. Now, we are seeking transition and commercialization partners in areas of psychological flexibility and behavioral health, for example, improved stress reactivity and recovery associated with combat training, and in physiological control training, for example, breath control for marksmanship and G-force mitigation. SHIELD is a portable psychological resilience program that provides a comprehensive, evidence-based approach to training psychological flexibility and stress reduction. Relative to other mobile apps for mindfulness-based stress reduction, SHIELD is specifically developed for the warfighter. For example, to promote acceptability, the meditation content was developed with Marines and is presented by Marines for Marines. Additional features, advantages, and benefits include content delivery in a smartphone application. This provides expert instruction for self-paced practice, does not require significant training or oversight, and is usable anytime, anywhere, including offline. This benefits warfighters because as a mobile app, SHIELD is cost-effective with low resource requirements. There's no training personnel required, for example. Marines can train independently anywhere. SHIELD features an evidence-based content. The SHIELD exercises are based on well-established techniques shown to improve psychological resilience. In addition, our testing of SHIELD itself showed benefits to responsiveness during stressful situations. These advantages promote confident and effective skill building by warfighters. SHIELD features micro-practices in 3, 5, and 10-minute durations on a customizable schedule. Because they are brief, these practice sessions can be scheduled around regular activities or performed ad hoc whenever the warfighter has a few spare minutes. SHIELD training therefore accommodates warfighters' existing schedules and duties. SHIELD features a Marine Corps-informed design that is tailored to warfighter use cases. This collaborative design promotes buy-in from the warfighters. Finally, SHIELD features a modular framework. SHIELD is a flexible mobile platform for audio-visual-based instruction and self-paced practice with compliance tracking. Therefore, content can be easily customized to new training domains. We have short-term and long-term transition goals for SHIELD. In the near term, we want to identify partners to help us integrate SHIELD psychological flexibility training into entry-level training such as boot camp, command training such as basic school, pre-deployment training curricula such as the infantry immersive trainer. Deployment to combat zones is administered by combat and operational stress control units and as part of reacclimation programs at the end of a tour. Longer term, we see tangible benefits to warfighters across the DoD because stress management and performance under stress are critical to all warfighters. We are seeking partners in community counseling centers, the Defense Health Agency, the Navy Bureau of Medicine and Surgery, and we would also like to develop new extensions to specific domains of physiological self-control, such as the breath control applications mentioned earlier. We see two approaches to transitioning and commercializing SHIELD. First, the mobile app can be licensed and distributed directly to end users via conventional app stores. Second, the underlying technologies, such as the audiovisual exercise framework or the micro-practice content, can be licensed to other commercial entities that will use them directly or incorporate SHIELD components as added functionality into their commercial products. To continue SHIELD refinement and transition, we would like the opportunity to conduct operational testing with warfighters, for example in the Marksmanship Shooting Assessment Package program. Charles River seeks transition partners within the government and commercial partners interested in licensing the technology to enable cost-effective psychophysiological flexibility training to improve performance under stress and recovery from stressful situations. Meet us on the floor here at Sea Airspace 2021 or contact us to talk further about our Strengthening Health and Improving Emotional Defenses program or Charles River's other capabilities. Thank you very much.